Scott, I hate to bother you, Mary apologized at the beginning of her phone call, but my homepage used to be Google and now it's Ask.com. I have absolutely no idea how it happened. Can you change it back for me? Absolutely, I replied. Let me remote into your computer real quick. Well, when I logged into Mary's computer over the internet from my office, I discovered that not only had her homepage been changed, but the Ask Toolbar had also been installed. I quickly got rid of the troublesome toolbar and reset Google as her default homepage. You know, I receive phone calls like Mary's several times each week. Most of the computers that I work on have the Ask Toolbar installed. So, how does it change your homepage and install the toolbar? Well, that's a very good question. Most computer users admit that they don't know how the Ask Toolbar got installed or how their homepage changed to Ask.com. It just happened one day, they say. Well, unfortunately, it does just happen. Sort of. The most common culprit causing these changes is when you're prompted to update the Java software on your computer. Installing Java updates requires you to click Next on several screens to advance through the update process. Typically, the second screen is the one in which you're prompted to install the free browser add-on from Ask. Well, by default, install the Ask Toolbar and make Ask my default search provider is automatically checked. This means that if you click Next without reading the screen or unchecking the box, these unwanted changes will be applied to your computer. And that's when the problems begin. What's the problem with Ask.com homepage and the Ask Toolbar? Well, there's a lot of problems with it. First, you're forced to choose to not install the software on your computer. You really should be given the option to install it if you want it. Secondly, toolbars of any sort tend to slow down your computer and cause problems when browsing the internet. Add-ons to your web browser, such as Internet Explorer and Google Chrome, can create conflicts and cause them to not function properly. Finally, Ask.com and its toolbars are classified as a potentially unwanted program. It's also known as a browser hijacker. Now, while the toolbar description reads, the Ask Toolbar provides convenient tools and links to make your browsing more enjoyable, the truth is, it's really invasive. What sites you visit on the internet, what links you click on, and more are all tracked and recorded by Ask. Then they feed you advertisements and pop-ups tailored to your interest, based upon the information that they've collected about you. Now, these pop-ups and other advertisements proliferate, become annoying, and start to make using your computer anything less than enjoyable. So how can you avoid having Ask change your computer? Well, it's pretty simple. Installing Java updates is critically important. Many security flaws have been found in the Java program, which, if left unpatched, could allow hackers or viruses to attack your computer. So it's not an option to just do nothing. The best advice that I can give you is to stop and read every screen when installing updates for Java and any other program. Know and understand exactly what that software wants to do to your computer. If you're prompted to install anything with Ask, be sure to uncheck that option. Only after that are you safe to click Next and continue on with the update process. Now, for those of you that don't want to ever worry about accidentally installing unwanted software when updating Java, we can take care of that for you. We have several different options, and one of those is applying a simple registry patch that automatically eliminates that. And you won't have to read through every screen during the update process. Now, if you're interested in details on how we can eliminate that problem for you for good, I encourage you to call us at our office at 812-386-8919 and let us tell you about this fix that we have. It's really inexpensive. We can do it over the internet in just a matter of a few minutes, and it will eliminate that Ask.com problem for good.
For more helpful computer tips and information, visit caliberforhome.com. Also, please share this video with your friends and family.